To change date and time on a Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then scroll down looking for the system, which should be all the way on the bottom, and select that. Then you can move to date and time from the list, and there's multiple different settings. First one is set time automatically. When you disable it, then you can adjust date and time both manually. I prefer to enable it, as using manual settings may cause some network problems on your phone. Then there's the time zone, and right here same thing. You can disable set automatically and adjust your time zone manually below right here. You can then turn it on to prevent any network issues again, and also activate use location to determine your time zone automatically using your own location. Then there's the time format, and you can disable use local default to adjust your clock format manually between 24 hours like this, or 12 hours clock like this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.